Hello friends and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you how you can delete all activity history in Facebook application at once. Friends, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Also be sure to put your likes and comments at the end of the video. So let's get into this topic. And open the Facebook app on your device. Then in the bottom right corner, go to the menu section. Then in the top right corner, tap on the gear to go to Settings and Privacy. Here, scroll down until you find a section called Activity Log. Click on it. Next, Activity History. This will take you to all the activity that you've had on your Facebook page. And if you want to delete any of the activities, you just need to click on the three dots next to that activity. Then you'll need to click Delete. Confirm the action. Thus, immediately your actions will be deleted. But if you want to delete the whole history of activity at once, then go back to the Settings and Confidentially. Here go to Meta Account Centers at the top. Then select your information and permissions, and then your Meta activity. Next, clear previous activity. And you'll just need to click here on the word clear. That way you'll delete all of your activity. If you have multiple accounts tied to this Meta account, so let's say I have, as you can see, it's both a Facebook account and an Instagram account. If I click clear all of my activity history is deleted on both accounts. Friends, this is the way you can delete all your activity history in Facebook app at once. I hope you found this video helpful and useful. Please don't forget to put your likes, write comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you soon.